Okay guys, so here we are with our learn book and a pencil. We're going to turn to page 105, so that is 10-5. We're not doing an application problem. We are going to work on some problems together. And so this is what's happening. We've run out of school year. As I stated, we've run out of school year. However, the only way to learn math is to do math. So we are going to complete a couple meaning 2 days of math practicing together, adding within 100. So I want to set you up for success in the 2nd grade. So, page 105. Can you all see that clearly? You can. See, pencil, yes. I've done told you before, I don't really like doing marker. So we are going to do some together, and then your task will be to complete the problem set. Look at that, that's it. See, it's just one. Your task will be to complete the problem set and send me a picture of it. So here's the plan? Yes? Okay, so let's start. It tells us to use any method you prefer to solve the problem below. So we're going to solve this one. This is what I want to make sure you've had exposure to, the number bond strategy. Now looking at these two numbers, which one of these numbers, 74 or 21, is closer to a group of 10? Is closer to being a complete group of 10? Now remember, closer doesn't necessarily mean going up. It could mean going back. 21 is closer to a complete group of 10. Good. How many can we take away from 21, because we do need to take away, to have a complete group of 10? 1. So let's take this 1 from here and leave the 20, the 2 10s alone. Leave them alone. Can you see that clearly? Let me zoom in a little. Let's see if that helps. Oh yeah, now we're in business. So what we're going to do to solve this problem, because this is, like I said, this is we are going to add the ones. This is a situation where we're using the number bond strategy to add the ones, and then we will add the 10s. So 74 plus 1 more is equal to 75. 75 plus the other piece, the remaining 20, which is 2 10s. 7 10s plus 2 10s is 9 10s. 5 1s plus 0 1s, 5 1s, which tells us that 74 plus 21 is equal to 95. This, we said, was the number bond strategy to add ones. We added the ones first, and then we put the rest of the pieces, the remaining 10s, together. So we did number 1. We used the strategy to add the ones. And now, let's look at this next problem. Let's look at number 2. Looking at number 2. This one's a very nice one. This one sets us up nicely. You want to know why? Because both parts are equal distances. Both parts are equal distance from a group of 10. So either way, we're going to end up with a nice smooth setup. You don't believe me? Okay, well let's draw a picture for this one. Let's draw a picture, okay? 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is my picture to depict the entire first part. These are the 2 pieces, 7 10s and 9 1s. Now let's go ahead and draw the second part. 1 10, 2 10, 1 1. And I left this big old space because I'm grouping my 10s and I'm grouping my 1s. Look at these 1s. They are just, look at them, just so nice and neat and making a group of 10. So now we can count up all the groups of 10. 1, 10. So, nope, we're not counting all. We're going to start right here because we know that we drew 7 10s. So 7, 8, 9, 10. 79 plus 21 is 10 10s. 79 plus 21 is 10 10s. Am I done? No, we have the right to represent that there are 0 loose 1s because just 10 sitting there by itself means that there's just 10 of them. And there's not 10, there are 10 10s, which is really 100 pieces. You have to write the answer to show the value. The value is 100. The value is 100. Good. So now here, this next one, let us try the number bond strategy again. Let's try the number bond strategy. So here we drew a picture. Here we did number bond to add 1s. Let's do a number bond to add the 10s. Let's do a number bond to add the 10s. Meaning we're going to break apart one of the parts into pieces, being the groups of 10s and the remaining 1s. So looking at these two parts, we're going to break the smaller part into those pieces. The smaller part is that 46 or 34. That is 34, you're right. So let's break 34 into 30 and 4. 30 and 4. Now we can add the 10s. 46 plus 30, because remember what I'm doing is actually adding the 10s. I'm only making changes in the 10s place right now. 4 10s plus 3 10s is 7 10s. 6 1s plus no more 1s, because we're not changing the 1s place right now, is 6 1s. So now we'll add the remaining 1s to finish the problem. 76 plus 4 more is equal to, well, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I actually end up completing a group of 10, and my answer is 80. My answer is 80. 46 plus 34 is equal to 80. Good. So now that we've done some together, your task, your assignment that you do, so we did 1, 2, and 3. You are going to do 4, 5, and 6. You do. You do. You do. Use any method you prefer to solve the problems below. Choose. You could do number bond. You could do drawing pictures. You could do the arrow way. You could do any strategy your heart desires, your brain is comfortable with to finish this problem set. Yes, finish, because that's it. There's no backside. It's just page 105. And when you are finished, you will take a picture of page 105 and send it to me to show me your completed math practice. But guys, I'm going to go ahead and say that we are done for now, and I will see you guys later.